Exposing the secrets to Warren Buffett's success. You need to watch this if you struggle with making impactful decisions. Let's dive into Warren Buffett's blueprint for true success. Decision number 1. Nurture your curiosity. Buffett's early love for finance? It started with books and NYC stock exchange visits with his dad. Next, mentorship is crucial. Buffett credits Benjamin Graham for shaping his investment philosophy. Lifelong learning is also key. Never stop growing. Buffett's boldness in decision-making has paid off big time. Early business ventures and his partnership with Charlie Munger taught him to take calculated risks. Strong relationships? Absolutely essential. Buffett values connections that push him forward. And giving back to society? Inspired by Chuck Feeney, Buffett's philanthropy is legendary. So, there you have it. Warren Buffett's 12 key decisions that led to his extraordinary success. Stay curious, seek mentors, keep learning, be bold, build relationships, and don't forget to give back. Want more insights? Hit that subscribe button. Remember, your success could be just 12 decisions away. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please like and subscribe for more motivational video. God bless.